Everybody, I'm Dave with Growing the Home Garden. Today I wanted to show you one of the highlights of my fall garden, and that's this Clara Curtis Mum over here. Now it's a lot different from your standard mums. It's got these big daisy-like flowers instead of kind of those pom-pom things. And the cool thing about it is it spreads through rhizomes. And rhizomes are basically a root structure that goes under the soil and spreads like a runner does. And it will go under the ground and then pop up in other places, which means that this one does have the potential to be a little bit of a spreader. But with flowers like this, why wouldn't you want it to spread a bit? It is really gorgeous this time of year, and it blooms pretty much constantly until the frost hits, and then it will die back down. It's been blooming right now for probably about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks almost. Now, a few things about it. If you want to make more of it, it's pretty simple to do. Of course, here it is flopped open. If I'd cut it back in the middle of the season, it would have been a little easier. But here, this is great for our purposes today. See, each one of these is an easy opportunity to help divide it. And you can see right here, there's little sprouts coming off the stem. So you can take quite a few divisions off of these plants with the rhizomes and just plant those rhizomes in a new pot or in a new location, and they'll do really well. The other way to do it, to propagate these kind, is to take a cutting, probably about long, that's about 3 to 4 inches long, and root it using some rooting hormone. You probably don't even need it, but just in case. Sometimes rooting hormone contains a little bit of a antifungal in it, which can help your cuttings survive a little bit better. But this one is definitely a nice plant. The pollinators go all over it, and it adds just a powerful impact to your garden in the fall. Let me step back a little bit so you can actually see it. But there it is here in our front garden with all these marigolds. But it looks great. That is Clara Curtis Mum, just one of the fall perennials that you can really enjoy. So if you enjoyed this video on the Clara Curtis Mum, hit the like button, subscribe, and follow along for more Growing the Home Garden. Thanks for watching.